Hazira Degree College. Rahul ji, I am a big fan of Indira Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, one of the most powerful leaders of India, leading our nation towards the progression. Sir, I want to ask you about agriculture is the backbone of our country, but the governments haven't taken any progressive steps in improving the agriculture by providing the funds or affordable interest or providing some good facilities. Sir, what would you do if you come in the power, when you become our beloved Prime Minister?
So, the first thing I would do, over the last 2 years, the government has waived 1,30,000 crores worth of NPAs for the richest people in this country. 1,30,000 crores have been forgiven to the richest people of this country. So the first thing we will do is the farmers who require debt waiver, the farmers who require their loan to be cancelled, we will do that for them. That's the first job we will do. So we will carry out a loan waiver to the weakest farmers in the country. The second thing we will do is we will put food processing plants, food processing factories near the farms. We will make sure that farmers can sell their produce directly to these factories. We will build infrastructure so that their food can reach your plate with minimum wastage. We will also ensure that technology is available to our farmers so they can increase their productivity and they can make more money. And when there is a drought, when there is hailstorms, when there is inclement weather, we will support them periodically, because we understand that farmers have a very difficult life and they need the support of the Government of India. So those are the type of things we will do. Thank you.
In previous talk you have said that system needs to be changed in India. We support the changes, sir. Can you please specify the changes and in which sector?
Can you what? What was the last bit?
In which sector?
In which sector? Well, the first challenge is getting jobs for millions of youngsters like you.
Thank you, sir.
That's the first challenge. A country that cannot give its youngsters jobs, a country that cannot give its own young people